Hey everyone, it's Nicole, your favorite Perfectly Posh consultant, and today I want to do a little bit of a story time. I want to talk to you all about Posh and why I joined Posh, how I discovered Posh, and all that kind of fun stuff. So bear with me, I'm going to try to keep this short and sweet, but who knows, it takes a while. So back in December of 2016, I was having some really bad allergy issues. Pretty much anytime I took a shower, I would break out in hives from head to toe, couldn't breathe, coughing, sneezing, to the point where I was taking allergy meds after my shower, Benadryl before my shower, wasn't really helping, and there were a couple occasions where my husband was about to take me to the ER. It was pretty bad. So fast forward January, it's still happening. I am trying to change shampoos. I'm trying to change soaps. I think I went through 3 different body washes and maybe 4 or 5 different kinds of shampoo, and nothing was really getting better. I don't know why or what was in those things that was causing such a big problem, but it was a lot. I was doing everything for sensitive skin you could think of, natural items, and it just wasn't working. So finally, I'm kind of just scrolling through my Facebook, and I came across a friend of mine who I hadn't talked to in a really long time. We hadn't been Facebook friends for that long. We kind of just reconnected, and she was selling Posh. She was trying to work an incentive and earn a trip to Greece, which, by the way, she got the trip. And I had always just kind of scrolled past. I had never really thought twice. But I mean, we're talking at this point, it's probably the beginning of February, and I'm like, okay, so I'm going to try it, and just to see, because I really need to be able to shower for more than a couple minutes, and I need to be clean and not smell, and I also need to be able to breathe and not break out in hives every time I shower. So I bought like a chunk, I bought shampoo, and I think I did moisturize 911. So I'm like, okay. And I get the order, and I'm like, okay. So I open it up, and I smell it. I'm like, oh, it smells good. And I kind of just push it to the side. And then maybe a week or so later, I'm like, okay, I guess I'll try it and, see what's kind of going on. So I take the chunk out, and I try that first. It was the You Go Cocoa Chunk. I love the smell of coconut, so I was like, all right, we'll try it. And I use it. And my shower's a little bit longer than it had been. And my hives and my coughing weren't as bad. They were still there. I had still used my regular shampoo. Keep that in mind. So next time I'm like, okay, so let's try the shampoo and conditioner. And I try it, you guys, and there are 0 issues. None whatsoever. So I'm like, okay, I can breathe. This is really nice. And keep in mind, I had tried everything under the sun. I had tried Ivory soap, Dove soap, Irish Spring soap, you name it, I had tried it. Suave shampoo, super expensive organic shampoo. I had gotten a new shower head that had a special filter in it. I had scrubbed my tub from top to bottom. But the Posh products stopped the hives. It stopped the sneezing, the itching, the coughing. I was able to take a full-length shower, clean myself from head to toe, and get out, not have to rush, not have to hurry up and come downstairs, and take Benadryl. Literally, guys, Posh maybe could have even possibly saved my life. If not just for washing the bacteria off my body, but because I could breathe when I took a shower. I wasn't having allergy attacks, borderline anaphylactic shock kind of thing. So at this point, we're getting towards the end of February. I'm like, okay, I'm going to be buying a lot of this. So I'd like to make money off it. It's not really make money off it, but more along the lines of, I'm going to be buying a lot if I'm using this regularly. That's like a 20% discount. And I can get back on it and save some money. Not that they were that expensive anyway, but I'm like, I'm always one to save a buck or two. So I'm like, okay. And I talked to the girl I bought it from. Her name is Annie. And I'm like, I'm really thinking of this. And it kind of came out of nowhere. It's not something that she expected. And she's like, tells me about it, gives me the info. And I'm like, I just want it so that I can get the 20% back for myself. And I'll go from there. So I do, and I get the kit, and I order it, and I'm like, okay, this is really, really awesome. So I decided I'm going to start sharing with just friends and family. And people love it. So here I am, and I didn't think, I'm like, nothing's really going to come out of this. You know, I just get my $99 back kind of thing and then be done. So here I am almost a year later. I am a Pink Plus One, so I've had 2 promotions and since I joined. And, you know, my little team is slowly growing and flourishing in Posh land, and we are doing fantastic. Last year, not even a full year, in 10 months, we sold over $16,000 in just like soaps and lotions, which is super awesome and super crazy. My head still doesn't really wrap around that. So it's just kind of amazing how me just trying to make sure that I can breathe when I take a shower has affected so many people and helped other people, and just given us as a family that little bit of extra cash that we need to just go do fun things, or with Christmas or birthdays coming up, or, you know, just having a pizza night. It's just those little things that Posh has done that's really, really helped. So I've had special time with my daughter, bonding over Posh. When we get a Posh package, we open it together and we smell everything, and so it's just been a great ride so far, and I cannot wait to see what the next year brings. So that is my little story, guys. I hope you maybe find a little inspiration out of it. You could always click my links down below and learn a little bit more about me and what I do. And yeah, so hopefully Posh can help you as much as that it's helped me. So thank you, guys. I will talk to you later.